Hi guys, I'm Emma Price. I'm a yoga teacher at the University of Oklahoma Fit and Rec, and I will be guiding you through weekly yoga flows ranging from 10 to 15 minutes, and we will kind of be doing something a little different every week. And today we're going to start with just like an introductory, everyday, basic flow with our sun salutations. Feel free to follow along as I guide you, or feel free to add on and go your own route, and we'll go ahead and start our session today. So first we'll be starting in a child's pose. Knees out the width of the mat or your hip distance. Hands are reaching towards the top of your mat and head is down, forehead onto the mat. Big inhale and exhale. Allowing yourself to leave everything outside of your mat. Giving yourself this time for yourself and your practice. And we're gonna go ahead and walk our hands over to the right. Don't forget your breath, setting your pace for your practice. And let's take it all the way over to the opposite side. Feel free to use blocks to help get more into your stretch. And let's take it all the way back to center. One more big dip. And we're gonna rock up to our box pose. Knees underneath the hips, wrists underneath the shoulders. And we're gonna start with some cats and cows. Big inhale, drop the belly, look up to the sky. And exhale for cat. Round the spine, take the chin to the chest. And let's go back to that cow. And exhale, cat. Kind of feel free to do a few of these on your own. We're gonna take 3 breaths. Feel free to add in some wrist stretches, hip circles, or anything that feels good, kind of getting warm into your body. Let's do one more. Big inhale and exhale. All right, coming into that normal spine, we're gonna go ahead and curl our toes and drop those heels, raise that booty high to the sky, downward dog. Here we can go ahead and walk our dog, dropping one heel down at a time, if that feels good. And we are gonna start with our sun salutation A. Awesome, let's raise those heels. And we're gonna tippy toe our feet all the way up to your hands. Drop those heels and we're slowly gonna raise all the way up to the sky. Hands up, come up to the sky, shoulders are down and back. And exhale, let's bring those hands to heart center. Inhale, swing it all the way up, let the energy flow. And exhale, big swan dive down, bringing those hands towards the feet. Inhale, half lengthen. And exhale, we're gonna flow through. So we're gonna step or hop back to a high plank pose. Chaturanga, on or off the knees. Inhale, upward dog or cobra. Exhale, push back. Downward dog. That was our first sun salutation A, and we're gonna do 2 more. Taking 3 breaths here, maybe walking your dog, maybe soaking up the stillness. Inhale, raise those heels. Feel free to tippy toe, step, or hop all the way up to the top of your mat. And inhale, let's roll all the way up to the sky. Fingers to the ceiling, shoulders are down and back. And exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Inhale, swing it all the way back up. And exhale, swan dive down. Your chest leads the way. Drop those hands towards the feet. And inhale, half lift. Flattening the spine. And exhale, we're flowing through again. That vinyasa step or hop back into your chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. And exhale, push back. Downward dog. Again, taking 3 breaths here, whether getting deeper into the movement or soaking up the stillness. All right, Last sun A. Raise those heels high to the sky. Step or hop those feet all the way up to the top. Forward fold. Inhale, swing it all the way up. Lengthening to the sky. Exhale, let's bring those hands down to heart center. Inhale, swing it all the way back up. And exhale, let's fold. Inhale, half lengthen. Stretch out that back, squeeze the core. And exhale, flow through that chaturanga again. Step or hop back, high plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, push back, downward dog. Awesome. All right, so from here, we are gonna move on to our sun B. Feel free to take a break, get a sip of water. We got 2 breaths here. All right, let's get these sun salutation Bs started. All right, raise those heels high to the sky. You're gonna tiptoe, step, or hop all the way up to the top of the mat. Forward fold, and we are gonna change it up a little bit here. We're gonna drop the booty, bend the knees, and come into our chair pose. Bringing those arms all the way up, shoulders down and back. Or if you wanna bring those hands to heart center, that is welcome as well. All right, holding down, you wanna keep those weight in the heels. Turn on the back of the legs where your glutes meet your hamstring. We got one more big breath. Big inhale and exhale, release. Let's fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, we got another flow through vinyasa, step or hop back. High plank pose, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog, and exhale, push back, downward dog. All right, this is where we're gonna start mixing things up again. All right, you're gonna take that right leg, step it in between your feet. You're gonna drop that back ankle so that your foot is flat. Toes are at a 25-degree angle. And let's raise all the way back up into our warrior one. You wanna try to keep those hips facing forward. You can also bring that back foot up, make your lunge a little bit closer together. Big inhale, and exhale, let's flow through. Front foot meets your back. Chaturanga, inhale, upward dog, and exhale, push back, downward dog. All right, let's do the other side. Foot comes up in between the hands. Drop that back heel, toes are flat, and let's raise our arms. Squeezing that core, don't forget about it. Shoulders are down and back, hips are trying to face the front. Awesome. And exhale, drop those hands, foot returns back, flow through. Inhale, upward dog, and exhale, push back, downward dog. Taking 2 breaths here. Awesome. All right, we're gonna do one more sun B, and then we'll do a little bit of stretching. All right, raise those heels, step or hop all the way up to the top. And we're raising to that chair pose. Weight in the heels, arms are up or by your heart. All right, we got 2 breaths here. Big inhale. Weight in those heels, turn on those legs, and let's fold. Inhale, half lift, lengthen out the spine. Exhale, through. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, push back, downward dog. All right, hopefully now we're getting a little bit of warm, fuzzy feeling inside. And let's finish out our sun B. Right leg all the way up to the top. Drop that back heel, we're raising up to that warrior one. Awesome. Big inhale and exhale, flow through. Feet come together, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, push back, downward dog. All right, let's do that last side. All right, take that foot, bring it all the way up to the hands. Drop that back heel, and let's raise up. Belly button into your core, hips are trying to face the front, shoulders are down and back. And exhale. Let's flow through. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, push back, downward dog. All right, so from here, we are gonna do a little bit of stretching to get in those hips. We're gonna take your leg high to the sky. You can bend it almost so that you can see your ankle underneath your armpit. And let's rotate your leg. 3 in each direction. All right, from here you're gonna extend it. You're gonna shift forward. Bring your knee to your wrist, foot underneath the opposite hip. All right, lengthen, big inhale, and exhale. We're gonna drop down to our pigeon pose. You can be on your elbows, grab a block. This is a little bit more in depth to the stretch, and we are gonna hold this here. Making sure that you don't forget to breathe. Big inhales and exhales. Allowing your body to melt into the ground, getting further and deeper into the stretch. We got 2 more breaths. Big inhale. And let's walk it all the way back up. Hands are gonna plant. You're gonna curl your back toes and shoot that leg all the way into the sky. And you can drop it down. Let's switch sides. Take that leg high to the sky, bend it. Maybe that you can see your feet through your armpit, and circle around. We got 3 on each side. Shoot it all the way high to the sky, and let's take it to that pigeon pose. Knee comes to the wrist, foot underneath the opposite hip, and you can walk it down again to your elbows. Maybe grabbing a block here. You can even prop yourself on a block here as well. All right, let's try to melt into the stretch, stretching out those hips. Awesome, we can go ahead and walk those arms up, curl those back toes, send that leg all the way high to the sky, and we can drop it down. Feel free to walk your dog, stretching out those hips a little bit. Awesome. All right, now coming to a seated pose. All right, that will be concluding our class today. Thank you for joining me. And we can bring those arms all the way up. One more big breath. And exhale, bring those hands to heart center. Bring your hands to your chest. The light in me honors the light in you. And namaste. Awesome, guys. Have a great rest of your day.